This is my Satoh Elk S550G. Picked up for $600. Needed a new condenser, new plugs, nice oil change. Alternator was frozen. It's obviously not frozen now, it's spinning. And it needed a, well, obviously new fuel and some of that stuff. Yep, there it is. Giving me plenty of good work. I'm going to need to put a new clutch in it soon. 3-point hitch, CTO, rear exhaust actually. I actually had to fix the exhaust. Nice tractor. My case 444, MTD 990. Not sure what make that is, needs a new transmission. Gravely ProMaster, 64-inch deck. The deck for the Satoh Elk, right there. Got a Bolens. It's a little John Deere I'm fixing for somebody. Kubota B6000E diesel. Deck for my Power King, which I'll go around to. Power King's still in progress. Just finishing it on up. Dual transmission, hydraulics, 3-point hitch. Should have seen what it looked like before. Here's the hood of it, need a new headlight. Repainted it and everything. Made two walk behinds for landscaping right here. Bobcat, 20 horsepower Vanguard, and Scag. Right here, I believe that has the same engine as the other walk behind earlier. Yeah, that's it. And then of course the big old Dodge. And there's Lola. Yep. Right, Lola? Say hi. Come on, Lola, say hi. Nah, she's afraid of the camera.